Hello everyone and welcome to the 12th video of the Learn HTML series. We've mostly worked inside the body tag of our HTML code. Let us now focus more on the head tag of our web page by adding a title and favicon to it. Let's start by opening our templates file in our text editor. So I have my template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. And here we go. So we have our HTML syntax and we have HTML and our body. But you can also have a head. So let's create it. So what can we do inside the head of our HTML code? We can create a title for our web page. So let's do this. This is by using the title element. And let's call this my first page. We close it like this. And let's save the file as favicon.html. Now, if you open our file in the browser, we can actually see the title at the top. So we can do many things in the body tags, but we can also do a lot in the head tag. We can also add an image to display next to our title, and it's called a favicon. You can use any image you like as your favicon. So to add a favicon to our website, we can create a folder in our directory, and we can call the folder, let's do it. We can call the folder new folder. We can call it images. And in the images folder, we can save our favicon image. So a common name for a favicon image is mostly favicon.ico. So let's search for a favicon which we can use. So let's go back here and let's search for favicon. Images. Let's use this favicon. So let's save the image as favicon.ico. And let's save it in our images folder like this. So now when we go back to our folder, we can see a favicon.ico. Now let's add the favicon to our web page. So we do this by using the link element. And inside the link element, we use the rel attribute. And here we can specify that it's an icon. We can also use the type attribute. Here we can specify that it's an image slash icon or X icon. This is one of the many types that a link can be. And last but not least, we have the href attribute, where we can specify the URL of our favicon. So in our case, it's in the folder images, and it's called favicon.ico. Now, let's save this and see it in action. This is the wrong one. This is my first page title. So if we reload the page, we can see that there is no favicon shown. This is because our path is incorrect. If we delete this, and we can see now that our favicon is shown. So we can now add a title and favicon to our webpage by inserting these tags in our head tag. In the next video, we will learn more about tables so we can show data inside rows and columns. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.